Bombardier beetle. In the tiny world of insects, the bombardier beetle is basically carrying a built-in science lab on its back. When something tries to grab it, like a frog, bird, or spider, this little beetle instantly turns into a chemical blaster. Deep inside its abdomen, it stores two harmless liquids in separate chambers, hydroquinone and hydrogen peroxide. But when danger comes, it mixes those liquids together in a super-fast reaction that creates a boiling hot, irritating spray. Then boom, it fires the chemicals out of a special nozzle toward its attacker. The spray can reach temperatures close to boiling water and creates popping sounds like mini explosions. It's strong enough to make bigger animals back off fast. What's even crazier, the beetle can aim the spray almost like a turret, turning it in different directions to defend itself. It's one of the most unique defense systems in all of nature. Pure chemistry, perfect accuracy, tiny hero. Electric eel. The electric eel is one of the few animals on Earth that can create electricity strong enough to defend itself. Even though it's not a true eel, this long, flexible fish has special electric organs running through most of its body. Inside these organs are thousands of tiny cells called electrocytes, which work a bit like biological batteries. When the eel feels threatened, maybe by a larger fish or something trying to grab it, it instantly activates these cells all at once. That sudden burst creates a shock powerful enough to stun nearby animals for a moment, giving the eel a chance to escape. It can also send short, low-power pulses to sense its surroundings in dark, murky water, almost like natural radar. What makes the electric eel so unique is how precisely it can control its electricity. Gentle pulses for navigation, strong bursts for defense. It's one of nature's smartest survival tools: power, control, and perfect timing. Horned lizard. The horned lizard looks calm and slow, but it has one of the most unexpected defenses in the animal kingdom. When threatened by predators like foxes or coyotes, this lizard can do something almost unbelievable. It can squirt blood from its eyes. By increasing blood pressure in the tiny vessels around its eyes, the horned lizard causes them to burst slightly, sending a stream of blood outward. This isn't meant to injure the predator. It's meant to shock and confuse it. The blood also tastes bad to certain predators, making the lizard even less appealing. Combined with its spiky body and ability to blend into sandy environments, this strange trick gives the horned lizard enough time to escape. It's a perfect example of how nature sometimes chooses surprise over strength. No speed, no venom, just one bizarre move that makes predators think twice. If you're enjoying the video, please help support my channel by subscribing. Pufferfish. The pufferfish may look small and slow, but it has a defense that makes predators instantly regret attacking. When danger appears, the pufferfish rapidly gulps water or air, causing its elastic stomach to expand. In seconds, its body swells into a round ball covered in sharp spines. Suddenly, what looked like an easy meal becomes almost impossible to bite or swallow. For many predators, this surprise is enough to make them back off. But that's not all. Many pufferfish species also contain tetrodotoxin, a powerful toxin stored in their organs, which makes them extremely unpleasant to eat. The fish doesn't chase or fight, it simply transforms. This defense is all about timing and shock value. Inflate fast, look dangerous, survive. The pufferfish proves that sometimes the best way to stay safe is to become too big, too spiky, and too risky to mess with. Armadillo. The armadillo may look slow and harmless, but it has one of the most unique land defenses in the animal kingdom. When a predator like a coyote or jaguar comes too close, some species, like the three-banded armadillo, can roll into a tight ball. Its hard, bony shell completely shields its soft body, leaving no vulnerable spots for the attacker to bite or scratch. Other armadillo species dig quickly, burrowing into the ground to escape danger. Its armor is made of tough plates called osteoderms, which act like natural body armor and protect it from claws and teeth. This simple passive defense works because the armadillo doesn't need to fight, it just becomes untouchable. Slow, steady, and perfectly armored, the armadillo proves that in nature, sometimes the best weapon is a shield you carry with you everywhere. Skunk. The skunk doesn't rely on speed, strength, or sharp teeth to defend itself. Instead, it carries one of the most memorable warning systems in nature. When threatened, a skunk gives clear signals first, stamping its feet, raising its tail, and turning its back toward the danger. If the warning is ignored, the skunk releases a powerful spray from glands near its tail. The spray contains sulfur-based chemicals that create an extremely strong, unpleasant smell that can linger for days. Predators don't just dislike it, they remember it. The odor can cause irritation and confusion, making attackers retreat instantly. What makes this defense so effective is accuracy. A skunk can spray with surprising precision from several meters away. Because of this, most predators learn to avoid skunks altogether. It's not violent, it's not fast, but it's unforgettable, and that's exactly why it works. Opossum. The opossum has one of the most unusual defenses in the animal kingdom, and it doesn't involve fighting at all. When faced with a serious threat like a dog or wild predator, the opossum can enter a state called thanatosis, commonly known as playing dead. Its body suddenly goes limp, its breathing slows down, and it may even drool or release a bad smell that mimics decay. This isn't acting. It's an automatic response the opossum can't control. Many predators prefer fresh prey and lose interest when they think the animal is already dead or unhealthy. After the danger passes, the opossum slowly wakes up and walks away. Combined with a strong immune system and sharp teeth for last resort defense, this trick makes the opossum surprisingly hard to kill. Sometimes, the smartest move in nature isn't to fight or run, it's to convince your enemy you're not worth eating. Frilled lizard. The frilled lizard has a defense strategy that looks like it came straight out of a movie. When threatened by predators like birds, snakes, or larger reptiles, it opens a large frill around its neck, creating an intimidating circular display. At the same time, it hisses loudly and stomps its feet to appear bigger and more threatening. This sudden transformation often surprises predators and gives the lizard a chance to escape. Despite its dramatic display, the frilled lizard rarely attacks. The frill is purely for intimidation. Its body remains ready to sprint away, as it is a fast runner. This combination of visual shock and speed makes it an effective defense. In nature, sometimes looking dangerous for just a few seconds is enough to survive, and the frilled lizard is a master at this trick.